Back, everybody. Materials supplier Corning raising its second quarter guidance this morning. It now says it's expecting core sales of $3.6 billion. That compares to a previous guidance of $3.4 billion. It's also expecting core EPS at the high end or slightly above management's guided range of 42 to 46 cents. And it's largely driven by acceleration in AI. Joining us right now to explain is Wendell Weeks. He's the chairman and CEO of Corning. And Wendell, thank you for coming in.
Always a pleasure, Becky.
So this is big news, and you can see the stock up by more than 7% this morning. In fact, if it opens here, it'll be the highest level that we've seen Corning shares in close to 2.5 years. What's happening in AI? Because I'm not sure everyone understands the connection between Corning Glass and AI.
So generative AI needs a second back-end network in data centers. And in this network, each GPU is connected to every other GPU in the cluster. This creates the so-called neural network that you hear about. It happens to be that requires about 10 times the number of fiber connections in this network versus a traditional data center.
Because AI needs so much more computing power, so many more processes that have to take place.
And most importantly, so many more connections, because that's how you create the neural network. Each GPU is connected to each other, all with fiber. And so this not only creates more volume for us, which is great, but it also creates the opportunity for more innovation, because we're seeking to fit 10 times the amount of connections in the same space. And that's what we've done. We've invented new fibers, new cables, new connectors, and new custom integrated optical solutions to dramatically reduce installation costs, reduce overall time, reduce space, and reduce carbon footprint. And it is the rapid adoption of these new innovations that drove our outperformance.
Who do you work with? You work with the data centers? You work with NVIDIA? How do you kind of have those customer connections?
So all of the above depends on the time frame. The major cloud operators and data center operators, of course, but also other major players in the ecosystem, because we're the connectivity that brings the hardware to life.
What have you seen that led you to raise guidance? What's happening specifically?
Well, we put together a plan we call our Springboard plan, which shows that we have both cyclical and secular trends converging that should add around $3 billion in annualized sales within the next 3 years to Corning. Because we already have the production capacity in place and the technical capabilities, and those costs are already in our financials, we should generate really powerful profit and cash flow on that revenue growth. This Springboard plan is happening as we speak. Q1 was our low, and our preliminary guidance and our preliminary update shows our revenue growing 10% and our EPS growing more than 20% sequentially. So we're off to a terrific start.
How much of that is AI? How much of that is other cyclical issues?
Well, AI drove the outperformance. We're also seeing strong secular trends in our other market access platforms, be it in other pieces of optical communications, in display, in auto, right, and the like.
So a strong global economy that took off. Last year was a rougher year for Corning, and part of that was, I believe, the supply chain issues that had caught up. Explain what was happening then and what has since changed.
Well, our revenues were down because our markets were down. Our markets were down largely because of supply chain corrections, different behavior sets driven by the pandemic, as well as macroeconomic factors. And what we're seeing now is we're seeing a beginning of a reversal of those cyclical trends. But more important for us are the secular trends. We don't count on people buying more stuff. We count on people buying more Corning in the products they buy. Auto is a great example. Since 2017, the amount of vehicles being sold in the auto market are down about 5%. Our revenues are up 70% as car companies adopt our new innovations to help support cars that are more connected, that are cleaner, that are more autonomous.
What about things like we can try and read into, let's say, iPhone sales with Gorilla Glass?
So the overall phone market has been relatively flattish over the last few years. Of course, generative AI offers the opportunity to cause a significant refresh cycle in hardware. That's how we'll all interface one way or the other with generative AI. So we would expect that to come back.
What's the biggest challenge you face right now, Wendell?
For us right now, it has been that we were patiently investing, for instance, almost 4 years in these new generative AI products. And when the macroeconomics aren't great, it always is harder to sustain that commitment. And so that's what we've done. So it's delightful to be here today and actually see when innovations work out.
And you expect that this is going to be 3 years in the making? You're 1 year into a 3-year plan?
Yes, we're sort of 1 quarter into a 3-year plan, and we expect our strength to only grow.